Hi there, aspiring drivers. Greetings from the Advanced Career Institute once again. If you're here, you're undoubtedly dreaming of being your own boss and traveling the open road. We're going to cover some crucial advice today on how to become a profitable truck owner or operator. Now let's get going. First piece of advice. Make a detailed plan and conduct research. It takes a lot of dedication to own and operate your own vehicle. Do some research on various vehicle models, comprehend market expectations, and be aware of local rules. Developing your company plan now will save you a great deal of trouble later on. Don't forget to consider the financial implications. Owning a truck requires a substantial financial commitment. Make a budget, think about financing, and don't forget about recurring costs like insurance, fuel, and maintenance. The second piece of advice. Invest in the appropriate tools. The truck you choose is an important investment for your business. Consider the type of cargo you plan to transport. Do you require a dry van, a refrigerated trailer, or a flatbed? Your productivity and profitability can be made or broken by the equipment you use. And don't compromise on ease. Since you'll be commuting in your vehicle frequently, make sure it's cozy and equipped with everything you need for lengthy trips. The third piece of advice. Recognize the rules. The trucking sector is subject to strict regulations. Learn about the regulations pertaining to weight restrictions, safety requirements, electronic logging devices, ELDs, and hours of service. To avoid penalties and maintain the efficient operation of your organization, compliance is essential. Keep abreast of any modifications to regulations and ensure that all of your paperwork is in place. This will assist you in avoiding needless legal issues. The fourth piece of advice. Establish a network. In the trucking sector, networking is essential. Participate in discussion boards and social media groups, network with other truck drivers, and join associations for your industry. Having a network can help you locate tons of work, negotiate better terms, and receive assistance when you need it. Recall that having a strong network can open doors for you and provide insightful guidance that you might not find otherwise. The fifth piece of advice. Pay attention to client service. Your clients will return if you provide them with dependable and competent service. Be punctual, communicate properly, and handle everything with care. The best marketing weapon you have is your reputation. Developing a reputation for excellence will draw in new business in addition to keeping your present clientele. Are you ready to start a new journey? Consider a career in trucking and explore a world of options on the open road. For additional information on Advanced Career Institute, call +1 702 476 5067 or visit advanced.edu/locations/Las-Vegas-campus. That's it, then. 5 must-know pointers for being a profitable truck owner or operator. Keep in mind that the path is both difficult and rewarding. Please hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful so you don't miss any of our next guides and advice. Until next time, drive carefully and keep on trucking.